everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video we are going to be creating those really cute oversized scrunchies. You guys, these things are super cute, super stretchy. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I am using this little loom thing. It says kblooms.com, I believe, at 24 pegs. I got this off of Amazon. You're going to need like a little needle. Of course, you're going to need your little loom hook, knitting hook, and some stretch cord, okay? Some little elastic cord. You can as well use, you know, like this. This is also like stretchy stuff as well. I also got like some of that. So whatever you have on hand, you can use. And I'm going to be using just some acrylic yarn. Trying to do like some little fun spring colors. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get up into this. Cause like I said, this is going to take y'all about like 4 to 6 hours, depending on your skills. You know, I mean, even I'm not advanced, but it still takes me about 5 hours. And so put on a good show, put on some music, because you're going to have to entertain yourself. So let's get started. Alright, so let's move all this extraness out the way. Let's go ahead and create our slip knot. And I do leave a little extra because at the end, I use that to also sew the two ends together. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the inside. This doesn't have like a little starter peg, so it really doesn't matter which one of these you put on to start it with. And then just pull it tight. And there's a couple ways that you can start this. You can either just wrap it around each peg like that with the E-wraps, or you could wrap each one twice. Starting from wrapping it, you're going to start from behind the peg, around the front, back behind, around the front again like that to where you have two. And then you're just going to take the bottom and take it over the top, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the next one. Wrap it twice, just like that. And you're just going to keep repeating this all the way through until you get right back to this one. Alright, as you can see, I'm almost back to that first peg, so I'm going to go ahead and do this last one twice. Now now you see they all have one. So now what we have to do is just pretty simple. Now we're just going to take it and just wrap them one time and flip them over. And this is pretty much all we have to do. Like this is the whole scrunchie right here. This is it. We just have to continue wrapping, and it's going to, as you can see in there, it's starting to grow, and it's going to come down the loom, whatever this thing is called. It's going to come down around loom, and I usually try to do around 20 to like 24 inches long, but it's up to you. How big or how small you want your scrunchie is entirely up to you. So yeah, we just continue this for the next few hours, and I will meet you guys back. Okay, so I think I have enough length. Let's see. And then of course you want to sit here and you want to like pull it and stretch it. So let's see about, I usually don't measure it, but I'm going to. So I've got 21. And then of this, I've got 16. So that works. I mean, it's gonna have to work. It's gonna have to work. Cause y'all, I'm done. Like, y'all, I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's tie this off. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and cut some string off, and you still want to leave it a little long so that you can use it to sew the ends with. So just go ahead and take that one over. So now all we're going to do is just pull it into the front and pull it up like that. And then once you do that, you can then take that one off. So let's do it again. Take it to the front. Take your hook down, grab onto it, pull it up, and take it off. And we are just going to do this until we get all of them off, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we did that, and because this tube is actually like pretty big, a good size, you can just go ahead and take your elastic cord and just thread it on through, actually, because it shouldn't be hard. And then from here you can do this one or two ways. You can go ahead, take these two ends and just sew them, But as you guys know, sewing is most certainly not something that I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and tie it into a knot. And just pull on it really tight. And then I go ahead and cut the ends off. And then from here, what you can do is you can line these two ends up right here. Look at that. That's going to be super cute and super stretchy. And we are just going to sew the ends together now. Like, just that easy. Not really gonna say it was easy because it just took us hours to do that. But you get what I'm saying. Super cute. Alright, so let me try to actually line these up. And all I'm going to do is go in the very outer top one right here. And take it through this top outer one as well. Then I'm going to go through the next one, outer one, and do the same thing. And that's pretty much all I'm doing all the way around. So not nothing too hard, not nothing too crazy. Alright, so I'm going to do this and then I will be right back once I'm done. Alright, and then once I get it pretty much the string back around all the way to the other string, one thing I'm going to do is tie the two in a knot. Cut this down. You can either choose to cut it or you can hide it into the threads, and then there you go. Look at that. Super cute, fluffy, soft, cute. Y'all, these things is so cute. So cute. They're just time consuming. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.